Have you been struggling with low credit scores or mistakes in your credit files? Or recently been denied credit because you've had to deal with old medical bills or collections, late payments, student loans, a bankruptcy or repossession, or you're challenged by an old foreclosure, judgment, or tax lien, or your credit card limits are maxed out, or maybe your payments and interest rates are just too high? It's embarrassing, and having bad credit can actually cause you to lose your job. Would you be shocked if I told you that it's not completely your fault? Now, don't get me wrong, because you certainly may have contributed to the problem if you had a job loss or divorce, medical emergency, addictions to drugs, alcohol, or gambling, or maybe you just lived above your means. But that's only part of the problem. My name is Lee Kendrick, and I'm the founder of CreditUturn, a 100% automated mobile app that can help you eliminate all your credit worries without charging you any credit repair fees. As a nationally recognized credit and finance professional, I've analyzed more than 500,000 credit reports over the past 28 years, and I've helped more than 50,000 people improve their credit ratings. But before I show you our mobile app, let me explain a few things. We all know that sometimes bad things happen to good people. Plus, your credit score can't see what's in your heart or what's in your wallet. It doesn't know that you got a better job, hit a big jackpot, or that your late payments were only a temporary crisis. Feel like you're handcuffed just because you're young, been paying cash, or don't like paying interest, and the banks say you have to use credit to get credit? No credit equals no loan. Do you see a problem with that logic? You're actually being penalized for paying cash to avoid interest charges. And if you are approved with zero, little, or bad credit, it's often on ridiculously high payments and excessive interest rates. And don't even dream of maxing out your credit card limit even though the bank gave you an approved limit. Why shouldn't it be okay to use more than 25 to 30% of your credit card limit? It's kind of like being approved for a 100% zero down auto loan, but being penalized for borrowing the full amount, right? Plus, numerous federal studies and congressional hearings have shown that as many as 80% of all credit files contain significant errors due to mismatched personal information, simple data entry mistakes, or identity theft. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. In 2018, Equifax got a slap on the wrist for a major data breach that severely compromised 143 million Americans' credit files. Our faulty credit system has been manipulated by these powerful and greedy for-profit credit agencies, and they only care about the billions in profits they make every year from your poor credit scores. Plus, their ever-changing credit scoring system literally stacks the deck against you. And for decades, these major credit agencies have purposefully confused the world's financial markets by intentionally selling banks around the world on the idea that each bank should create its own secret credit scoring formula to help them make better decisions. In reality, all those formulas just cause more confusion and computerized credit denials. But the credit agencies don't care. They know you'll simply continue to apply for credit until you're approved for your new car, your new credit card, or your family's new home. And every time a credit denial occurs, it just creates more revenue for the credit agencies, and their billionaire investors love it. You see, every time your credit application is reviewed by another bank, the credit agencies continue making even more money because the banks pay the credit agencies every time they request a new credit report. And remember, because most banks use their own secret credit scoring formulas, you'll never really know what each bank's unique credit score will be until you actually apply for a loan. And every new credit application lowers your credit scores. Feeling like a puppet yet? So what can you do about it? You have rights and are protected by federal credit and collection laws. The Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971 gives you the right to dispute anything that you feel is less than 100% accurate, complete, and verifiable. And other laws such as the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act and the Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act, as well as numerous other federal laws, can also help you challenge credit report errors and improve credit scores. And until now, you've only had 3 options. Option number 1, you can penalize yourself by doing nothing and keep paying cash for everything, or borrowing from payday lenders, or renting your furniture and appliances, or buying older or high mileage cars, or paying expensive security deposits for mobile phones, rent, and utilities, or paying too much for auto insurance, or making your landlord rich because you might not feel capable of buying a house. Option number 2, or you can try writing letters to credit agencies on your own. But do you honestly have the time, patience, or knowledge for that, especially with your busy lifestyle? And if you did, it can be extremely frustrating without years of credit experience. And what do you do when you get a response from the credit agency stating that your account was verified as accurate? And how long does it take you to decipher your 30 to 80 page credit report from each of up to 38 different credit agencies? Option number 3, you could hire an expensive credit repair company or an attorney that knows everything about bankruptcies but very little about credit scoring, which could cost you anywhere from $500 and up to $5,000 or more. But today, all that changes for you. CreditUturn's proprietary and 100% secure software will automatically analyze your credit reports and generate your credit dispute letters that you can edit, deny, recreate, or approve. And every letter has millions of different combinations. Every aspect of your dispute letters are 100% randomized to avoid using cookie-cutter dispute letter templates and to ensure that every dispute letter is totally unique. And after you approve your letters, the CreditUturn mobile app automatically submits your credit challenges to the credit agencies or creditors for you using our top secret proprietary methods. You'll receive notifications, credit alerts, credit tips, and have complete access to our educational video archives and live streams inside our private CreditUturn members area on Facebook. And the CreditUturn mobile app automatically prepares new credit dispute letters for you every 30 days that you're still in complete control of to approve, edit, deny, or recreate. And after you approve your new letters, the app continues to do all the work for you. Plus, you can track your progress securely from your computer or mobile device from anywhere in the world. And we utilize 256-bit AES encryption on every piece of data for your security. So it would take a hacker with 50 octillion supercomputers more than 30 octillion years to break into. So your data is 100% secure for life. Download the CreditUturn mobile app today. Then create your account profile and take pictures of your IDs and sign up or link one of our recommended credit monitoring services to our CreditUturn app so the CreditUturn software can start analyzing your credit reports. Then kick back and watch CreditUturn go to work. As a disclaimer, CreditUturn does not promise nor guarantee any specific results, and you should run away from anybody that charges illegal upfront credit repair fees. Plus, it's also illegal for anyone to promise guaranteed deletions or specific results. And CreditUturn users never pay credit repair fees. Zero, zip, zilch. Yet our members get great results because the CreditUturn app definitely works. And credit repair has been legal since the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971 became a federal law. But as a reminder, your other options are: number 1, ignore your problems, hope they'll disappear, and do nothing about it. Number 2, try to handle it yourself, which most people really aren't capable of. Or number 3, possibly hire a shady credit repair company that you can't hardly ever contact, or promises to create a new credit file with credit privacy numbers, or that might be outsourcing your personal credit info and dispute requests to cheap and unsecure third-party providers in Mexico, India, or the Philippines, which is a huge identity theft risk. To the right of this video, click the Apple Store button to download our mobile app onto your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or click the Google Play button if you're using an Android mobile device. Or sign up from our CreditUturn.com website by clicking the Login button and then Users link in the top right corner of the website, and then follow the easy steps after you click the Register button at the bottom of the next page. We're here to help you improve your credit for life. Please share this video and our CreditUturn.com website with your friends, family, and coworkers to help us spread the word about our awesome mobile app.